Greetings to all YouTubers and subscribers of DIY Mafia Boss. I'm here again, and today we'll be, let's say, unboxing or unwrapping this Christmas gift or present that I just received from friends from the local bank that I go to. The bank tellers gave me this as a present for Christmas. I'm a bit surprised that they did. They used to give me gifts on my birthday, or probably several Christmases I've received some gifts, but nothing like this. Nothing gift wrapped or in this kind of presentation. So I'll be describing you this box. It's a rather square box, and I was teasing them about how this box or this present was gift wrapped because it was like shabbily gift wrapped or hastily gift wrapped, and when they presented this to me, I kept on, fixing this bow, this tie, this ribbon here to be in the center, but they explained it that it's supposed to be off-centered, like this one here, and that's the reason why they say that the tie is loosely fastened like this, okay, or loosely tied like this. And they asked me to try to guess what it is, and I can't seem to wrap my head around what this might be, because I've never received a gift from them like this before. By the looks of it, when I lifted it, it's quite heavy. Okay, so for the first part of this, let's just weigh it first. Okay, let's weigh this. Now it registers in 10.4 pounds, so it's quite heavy. Now going back to the gift itself, okay, so it's heavy. By the weight, I was guessing it could be, jokingly I said it's a 16-piece dinner set. Because when I started, like shaking it like this, it sounded like porcelain, and then when I started shaking it like this, they tried to stop me from doing so. So it might be fragile, it might be breakable or something, we don't know. I don't know until we open this box. I'm worried if this gift is for me personally, or if it's bundled for me and my wife, and we'll find out soon enough. I don't know exactly how to proceed with this, but let's just go ahead and rip this open. Okay, I'll take the ribbon out. Okay. I must admit, I can't seem to get a hold of an end of the wrapper for me to start with. I'd say it's securely fastened with lots and lots of tape. Man, none. Can't even scratch it. Okay, here we go. Opening. Okay, now which side was up? Which side was up? Okay, which side was up? Okay, this side is up, I guess. This thing is up. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, there's a P&G, Procter & Gamble logo here, and lots of tape still inside. Okay. Now, anyone receiving a present are always excited to open their present, but I can't seem to tell you exactly how I feel. I was joking them, maybe it's a bomb inside this. That's the reason why they want me to open this at home, so that they won't be part of the collateral damage when this explodes in their face. Ooh, oh man. I'm shocked. Okay, so so it comes with this greeting card. It looks like a greeting card done by a child for their school project. Christmas tree, Christmas balls, the stand and everything. Okay, give them thumbs up for the design, color, I guess. Okay, and then Merry Christmas. It says here. It says their chat and Lynn, Gab, and wow, Gab, your inaanak. It says there. Inaanak meaning my godson. I mean, my inaanak meaning my goddaughter. She's getting married soon. Probably she's gonna ask me to be her godparent for that occasion of hers. And then what's this? Shika, Malu, Chet, Lynn, Gab, Rika. Okay, Rika now I know. Yeah, keep forgetting about her. Never really got to talk with her that much. Quiet type of girl. Okay. Okay, so 5 of them are here. Okay, Merry Christmas. Thank you very much, everyone. Chet, Lynn, Gab, Malu, Rika, thank you for the present. And I can't believe you gave me a pack of Coke Zeros. See there, Coke Zero. I must admit, I take in a lot of this a day. Probably I consume about 4 or 5 cans of this a day. Making sure it's Coke Zero. There. No sugar or zero sugar. 0 calories. Enough to at least prevent me from developing diabetes in the future. So I guess they're concerned about the way I consume this beverage. And thank you guys. Now I know why you didn't want me to shake this, because if I did shake it a lot, this would probably pop up and spill all its contents. So none of my guesses were right or close enough to find out to what I've actually received here. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so a dozen of this. Thank you so much. I'm sure you put a lot of thought into this gift. You knew exactly who I am and what I want. Thank you guys. And going back to if it's more of a personal gift rather than a bundled gift for me, my wife, or my family, I'd say it's more of a bundled gift, because me, my wife, my child, we love Coke Zero. Thank you again. Merry Christmas. Thank you for the card. Thank you for the thought. It was very thoughtful of you. I was not expecting, I was not asking for a gift, although I could say I was joking you for you to give me a gift, but now it's here. Thank you very much, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. Love you guys. Thank you. Bye. This is DIY Mafia Boss signing out. Until the next video, leave your comments below and subscribe. And thanks for watching.